Hello, welcome to the course Essentials of Data Science with R Software 2, where we are going to deal with the topics of sampling theory and linear regression analysis. My name is Shalabh and I am a faculty at the Department of Mathematics and Statistics at Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, IIT Kanpur. Well, I am going to start a 12 weeks course on Essentials of Data Science using R Software. Well, the first question comes here, what is a data science? So, data science is a subject which has come up in the last couple of years, and people from different streams have contributed in the construction of this subject. There are computer scientists, there are statisticians, there are mathematicians, and there are different types of people coming from different types of areas. So, on the other hand, if you ask a computer scientist, then possibly the computer scientist will say the maximum proportion in data science is coming from computer science. Similarly, if you ask a statistician, possibly a statistician will feel that the maximum proportion in data science is coming from statistics. And similarly, if you ask anyone, everybody feels that the concerned subject is contributing the maximum in the data science. Well, that's a good thing. Everybody feels that data science is his or her baby. Well, anyway, if you ask me, means I am from a statistics background. So, my job or the aim of developing this course is that I want to connect the classical statistics with data science. And what has happened? Because of the development in the computer science, algorithm, etc., means that the statistics has taken a new form. And data sciences is based on statistics, that is playing an important role, but there are many other contributions. And the same statistics which was called as classical statistics has to be viewed in a different perspective when you try to handle the data science. So, how to do it? This is the basic objective of this course. That is what I am going to explain you in my best capacity. Okay, what about this course? I am going to use the R software to explain and implement the concepts of statistics in data sciences. For that, I believe that all the participants have a reasonable knowledge of R, and they also have reasonable knowledge of statistics. And when I try to think about the topics which constitute the data science, I can think of a number of topics, and this is practically impossible for me to cover all the topics in one course. So, that is why in this course I am going to take two topics. One is sampling theory and another is regression analysis. Well, under these topics also, it is very difficult to cover the entire topics of sampling theory or regression analysis. But definitely I will try my best to choose the topics in such a way such that at the end of the course you are confident about sampling theory and regression analysis, that yes, I can do it using R software. That is my very simple objective. So, with this objective I will try to start the course, and I will try to see you in the first lecture. Till then, goodbye.